Hello Rick, greetings of the day. Today I am going to show my presentation related to the image classifier in the Azure. The main objective of this is to create a project in the custom vision, and we need to upload the images and assign the tags to them, and we need to do a quick training for the uploaded images and see how it's going to perform and test the project. The topic for the today's selection I have chosen is the Marvel stars. The main because of reason for me to choose this topic is because the most of the characters has a different variety of colors, shape, and sizes. Say for example, Hulk will be in hues and he will be in the green color, as we all know, and the similarity with the same with the Iron Man. He'll be in the red and the will have the shape on him, and which will also be get matched to the with Thor dress as well. So hence I have chosen this topic so to see the performance how it is being performed on the various color size and shapes. So hence I have chosen the Marvel as my topic. And this is my project creation. I've created this one. Once we go to click on project, I've selected the required fields and the multi-label tags for using multiple tags. And these are the tags that I have created: Hulk, Iron Man, and Thor, and the Marvel characters as usual. And assigning the tags. This is my training and performance. Now I'm going to show the live demonstration how it is going to work. I'm clicking on the new project, Marvel Stars. Title tags. First creation of the tags. Marvel characters. Next the Iron Man. Thor. And Hulk. So let us upload the images. Thor. So let us assign the tags. Marvel characters and Thor. Done. Issuance. So done. Let us upload images for Iron Man. Marvel characters and Iron Man. So it's done. So we'll add one more, the last, the Hulk. Let me select everything once again. So I have chosen 7 images per character and of 3 different various characters. So Hulk and the Marvel characters again. I'm uploading the 7 images. Done. So I think we are good on the uploading the part and assigning the tags, and we can see the tags and the 21 images for the Marvel characters and Hulk 7, Iron Man 7, and the Thor is 7. So let us do a quick training for these images and see the results. Quick training, train. I think it's gonna take some while. and here we can see the results that was came. So the accuracy percentage of 100 and the recall is of 100 and the precision is 92.3 percentage for the uploaded images. So let us see how we can do a quick testing for the images. Let me try from browsing from the local. Browse the local files, upload a new sample image, uh, open, and here we can see the Hulk is it's showing as 98.3 percentage for the Hulk. And let us try with the other images. Iron Man. See, we'll test with different images, and we'll see. We'll take the face. So here it is showing the strange results like 87.9 percentage. It is showing. It's not very strange, but and the interesting part is the Hulk. It is showing as 8.1 percentage. Uh, because of the face that I've uploaded for the Hulk. That is the reason it is showing as not the character but the original Hulk image. And let us try with Thor as well. We'll see. Take the full character. Yeah, this is showing good. So Thor it is showing as 98.2 percentage for Thor. Let us try hitting from the local. From the URLs from the website and see how it's getting performed. Any poor performance we can see for the images. So we'll take Thor images. Want to see any poor images that we could select for this. Yeah, let us try on this image. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's showing as 88 percentage, but the strange part is like it is showing as 41% for the Hulk. Because of, and also the Iron Man as 40.5 percentage, because the color which we have given is the red color, and the shape why it chosen Iron Man because in our images we have the Iron Man as a light, so hence it has chosen Iron Man as 40.5 percentage. And for the Hulk, I think it's of the face and the color which we have chosen, put up the results in that manner. This is the challenging parts that I would like to, which I am interested in for the Marvel characters. Is the reason for me to choose the Marvel. Let us take up a new image. Mark Ruffalo. This time we are going with the face. The result for any face we can take. Let us copy the image address to custom vision. Browse the local files, and if we could see the results of the Hulk, is it's showing only the 56 percentage, because the face images that we have uploaded from our local matches the images, like the color, the background, the face, the background, everything matches only the 56 percentage. The reason due to the poor production is of the face. Here it was like the color, the face production and the dimensions also matters. The trained images were able to match with the 56 percentage here, because of the color and the background image as well, which we have uploaded, like it might be of a different face and all. And also the image here itself is he is having the black, and the color, shape and size also varies, hence it's showing the poor results for the on the quick test when we have done. And coming back to the presentation, uh, yeah, this was uploaded and I could see a strange results on different Thor as well. 80% it showed. And this is about my presentation. Hope you enjoy my video. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.